Dear all, I am very glad to be here to Renuka Wetland. This is the Ramsar site of Himachal Pradesh. Now what you can see here, I'll just show you the board here. You can read here Himachal Pradesh Forest Department, Renuka Wetland, and you have a logo of Ramsar site number 1571. So it is one of the 27 Ramsar sites of India. Now Himachal Pradesh has got 3 Ramsar sites. One is this where I am right now, Renuka Wetland. That is in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. Second one is Maharana Pratap Reservoir or Pong Dam in Kangra Valley there. And third one is in Chandratal, that is Spiti Valley of the Himachal Pradesh. Now what I'll just try to tell you here, if I just bring you close by to the what is written here. You can see here, I'll just read out there. 20 hectare, right, is given. Then you have a latitude here, 31 degree 37 minute north, 077 degree, again 27 minute east. Wildlife sanctuary. There is a wildlife sanctuary, reserve forest. Now very clearly, this word is reserve forest. So protected forest and reserve forest. Reserve forests are those which are totally controlled by the forest department, and forest department regulates the economic use of that forest there. Now what I'm bringing here, it is a natural wetland of springs which come from river Giri. Now this is linked with Beas River. And you'll find here that it was designated in Ramsar site on 8th November 2005. Now what is very important about this particular Ramsar site is that it is a low altitude lake. Now there are two concepts, there are high altitude lake, low altitude lake. Now low altitude lakes are those which are less than 2000 meters above mean sea level. Now high altitude lakes are generally 3000 meters above sea level. Like in Himachal Pradesh, I'll give you one example of HAW, high altitude lake, that is a Chandratal, that is in the Spiti Valley. But this is low altitude lake. Now another thing is that it is the largest lake of Himachal Pradesh. You can say area wise, at the same time length wise. The total shore length is 3,214 meter, and the surface elevation right now, where we are standing right now, it is 672 meter above mean sea level. Now there is a sanctuary, and this area I can show you at the background. This you can see it is just surrounded by hills. It took me a long drive from Chandigarh to reach here to come to this particular place, and I just want to tell you that the number of species are there. Like you will find 443 species of fauna. There is listed here. 19 species of ichthyofauna. That is in terms of aquatic fishes and all. Like I'll give you the names there, like labio, quintius, rasbora, channa. Then vegetation. You have this region dry deciduous forest, and dominant trees are sal, Surya robusta. You have imli, terminalia also there. Dalbergia is also found. Sisu into hydrophytes. 103 species of birds and 66 are resident. I'll just give you the idea here. Few names are there: crimson-breasted barbet, myna, bulbul, pheasant, egret, herons, mallard, lapwing. Even some of the mammals, like here, you have sambar deer, barking deer, then gorals. Goral is a very unique type of species here. Now, very clearly, I will just tell you there. Just I'm pointing the camera. You can see here, there's a board here. And let me show you the animals which is given in the photograph. Sambar deer, barking deer. Then you have red-eared slider. Is a type of freshwater tortoise. Then you can see turtle. Even turtle, Indian soft-shell turtle, Indian flap-shell turtle. Now I've been confessing in the classroom that there are a number of turtles, freshwater turtles found in India. Then you can see Russell's viper, common wolf snake, common kanet. Then you Western Himalayan green pit viper. Now very unique thing I would like to show to the I am focusing on this Mahesir. Now this Mahesir is a threatened species. You will find in this lake. At the same time, there has been certain aspect of other vertebrate Mahesir which has become invasive. Now let me just provide you some important aspect of this. Many of the wetlands in India have religious importance. It linked with mythology, like some type of mythology. And being a developing country, and a country like India where you have diversity of religions, like for example, when you take Punjab, Harike Lake, Harike Pattan, that is linked with Sikhism, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. You have a linkage of the part of the religion part. Now when you are talking about Renuka, the name, now let me provide you the historical at the same time mythological background of this particular lake. Renuka Wetland has been named after Renuka ji, who is the mother of Parshuram. Now Parshuram from Hindu mythology is the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. When you read the Purana, you come to know that Parshuram has slayed or killed 21 kings. There's a name, the reference goes there, Sahastra Bahu. So this is the place where linked with the killing of Sahastra Bahu by Parshuram, because Sahastra Bahu wanted to take Nandi, the cow, which was gifted to Parshuram by Lord Shiva. Now when Parshuram was out and the king went into the ashram, kidnapped the cow there, the holy cow. Now in this process what happened, the mother of Parshuram, like Sri Renuka ji, went into this lake, the Renuka lake, and went to Jal Samadhi, and she didn't will to come out. When the Parshuram came back, so he requested his mother to come out of the lake, but the mother said that no, she will not come out because of the thing which has happened there. So he prayed a lot. So what Renuka ji told Parshuram the son, that I will only come once in a year, that is in terms of Ekadashi or type of, you can say that in the month of November it happens there. It is one of the very big thing where Parshuram meets mother. So you can say that though it is a mythology, but the lake is epitomize the sacrifice made by mother. The lakes epitomize the love between mother and the son. That is the Renuka ji as a mother and the son Parshuram. Now every year in the month of November, the pankulin carrying Parshuram, right, that is brought to this particular lake, and then saints from all over India come to this particular wetland for attending this particular religious ceremony there. So this has a lot of relevance there. You can see here the forest department things are there, and I'll just take you to the lake here. I'll just come near the lake. There's a boating also there. So let me just bring about that. Now today is a Biodiversity. But still you'll find less people out there. So this is the lake. I'm just taking you to the lake side. You have the boats there, and now you can see that this is a beautiful lake which goes inside. They come to, and is a wetland. It's a wetland of international importance. It has been declared as a Ramsar site in the year 2005. Now, if you take the depth of the lake depth is not too much. You have plenty of fishes here. At the same time, turtles. The turtles. You can see snake also there. Can you zoom out there? Let me. This snake here. You see here. There is snake also there. Snake. Then you have fishes. Then you have the floating vegetation out here. Then you can see here the water is not very clean. Now let me provide you something very important from examination point of view. This lake is being now threatened because of siltation. Siltation which brought by the river, and the SP department is not clearing the river, the lake there. Because of deposit silt here, the lake is shrinking. At the same time, when you go across the lake, it almost looks like a river. There's also the bank of the river. This lake here is now shortened because of deposit of soil. One of the prime reason is the landslide. You can see the hill area. Because of always the landslides, particularly in the rainy season, the soil and the debris falls to the banks of the lakes. So slowly what is happening there is shrinking. At the same time, the siltation done by the river, that is also causing there. Now one human-induced change which I would like to bring here is that about you'll find near about this lake, a lot of human habitation has come up. As you go up there, there's a lot of people are here resident. They live here. They are local people there. And now what is happening? Since Himachal Pradesh is on the path of development, so many of the things will find construction work going on. When I was walking down the lake here, and when I was coming there, so I found there are construction work. So again the garbage, the rocks, garbage, debris, sometimes they are dumped into the lake, and that causes again harm to the lake. It is a very beautiful lake, and as I said, it's the Ramsar site of India, and it has turtles also. Within the lake, you'll find turtles there. So I'm going to take a boat ride to the part of the lake to tell you more about this particular Ramsar site of Himachal Pradesh. I'm very happy that I came here today with my family and going through this lake. It is Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh, and it's one of the best site which you can have geographical importance, religious importance, then ecological importance. So we'll get to know more about in the classroom. So as I'll cover the things, I'll come to that. So I thank all of you for watching this video. I'll update you more. Thank you.